What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ty. I'm back with another video. I said I'm back with another video. Yo, I got another video for y'all. Feel me? This is something a little different. I'm gonna make this a mukbang slash rated trying the Travis Scott burger. You feel me? So I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion, how it tastes, how it is. It's fire. And then we're gonna get down to talking about some stuff, feel me? Sorry for my absence though. But with that being said, bro, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on so you know when I drop a next bang. You feel what I'm saying? You know what the deal is? Yeah. So we're gonna get into this, alright? Oh. I don't want no barbecue sauce, I want it sweet and sauce though. Feel me? You feel me? Alright. Okay. Alright. Gotta put a little bit of that. I always put sweet and sour sauce on my thing. I don't know who else do it, but I do. Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God! Alright. Oh. Yeah, it's fine. It's whatever. It's worth it. It's worth it. You feel me? It's valid. But yeah, let's get into what today's topic is gonna be about. As you guys can see by the title, tips on how to be successful. You feel me? I mean, I ain't classifying myself as successful yet, but I know some tips that will help y'all. You feel me? Like, number one, feel me? Damn. Number one, find you something that motivates you. You feel me? That get you to get you on your grind. For example, me, I have people that I look up to and shit. Yeah, that's what motivates me. You feel me? But you guys need to find what motivates you. Once you find that, bro, I'm telling you, find that motivates you, and what else? And stop hating on other people that's chasing their dreams. Yeah, y'all that'll definitely make y'all could be successful, bro. That's a step. That's a step to being successful. You feel what I'm saying, bro? Well, stop him, boy. Stop him. It just hit me, boy. Alright. Once you do that, bro, I'm telling you, it's not only in the YouTube aspect, just in life in general. If you don't hate on nobody, you always thinking positive shit. You feel me? No, I can't even talk, bro. I'm gonna have to finish this. When I finish this, bro, I'll come back to what I was saying, alright?
It's smacking, bro. Mm. Mm. Yeah. I don't know because I'm hungry, but it's slapping. It ain't different right now, feel me? Slap your finger. Probably because I'm hungry, feel me? Mm. Mm, yeah. Mm. It's my fault, though. I can bust it. Bust your hand, boy. Yo.
Alright. Let's get back into the video, bro. I ain't gonna rate it, bro. It was slapping, bro. I ain't gonna front. As y'all could have seen, I was demolishing that, bro. It was busting. You feel me? Alright, let's get back into the video, bro. Alright. I was saying tips on how to be successful. You feel me? What I was saying earlier is find you things that motivate you in life, that keep you pushing, you feel me? Once you find that, you find your purpose and whatever your goal is, what you want to be, I'm telling you, it's gonna motivate you to do better, bro. Like, it's gonna motivate you to chase the bag and keep grinding, you feel me? And don't make the hate hold you down. Make it motivate you and push you to go on, you feel me? People gonna hate either way, bro. They gonna hate. Anything you do is gonna hate, bro. It's just part of life, you feel me? But don't let that get to you. And for the people that keep hating, bro, I wonder, when you wake up in the morning, is it like, you get up in your brain, yo, I'm just gonna hate them, this and that. I'm gonna try to bring somebody down because I'm already down myself. Because that's what happened with most of these haters. They already down themselves. They feel some kind of weird. They feel some type of way, so they get up. They want to make somebody else feel sad, depressed, or whatever. But yo, I don't see the point of that, bro. It's just nah, bro. It's not a way to go. Feel me? For the people out there that be hating on others, bro. Come on, now, bro. just grow up, bro, and get a life. Feel me? Stop hating and all that. Cause hating ain't gonna get you nowhere. Feel me? It's not gonna get you nowhere. It's just gonna make you more sad, just more sad, disappointed. Depressed, whatever. You won't have no bread in your pocket. Meanwhile, you hating on somebody else with bread in their pocket. For me, that's living a better life than you. It's not gonna get you nowhere, bro. So to the people that hating, bro, this video is going out to you, bro. If you stop hating, bro, it's not gonna do nothing. It's not gonna do no justice for you. You feel me? But to the others, bro, keep your head up. Keep your head lifted up, bro. Don't hold your head down, bro. You feel me? Look out for brighter days. Brighter days is coming. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Your days is coming. Your breakthrough about to come, bro. Just keep grinding. Whatever you're doing. Whatever job you gotta do, your future job, whatever you're doing, bro, keep grinding. There's light at the end of the tunnel, so just keep grinding. Feel me? So this is my, I don't even know what you call this, bro. I don't know. We call this video the Rating Travis Scott Burger / Mukbang / Don't Hate. I don't even know, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna title this, bro. But if you make it this far through the video, bro, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. We're on the way to 100. We're on the way to 1K sub. You feel me? We're gonna keep grinding. You know what I'm saying, bro? With that being said, bro, I love y'all. And keep y'all head up. It's your boy Ty. Peace out. Catch y'all in another video.